I got it.
So I can show Dan.
Zoe, look up. Zoe.
Oh,
That's perfect.
Zoe.
Zoe, look at the mom.
Speaking of high voice.
Look at Grandpa Bill.
Zoe.
You can send that into those bloopers or whatever.
Yeah. Like you have a nice soft carpet. She likes that little shoe.
She got to look at her left
She wants to
foot,
look
that
at her
would
feet. Yeah, this one would be better. How about you? Oh, here we go.
Whoa.
Oh, I see some.
As soon as you get the camera out. Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Zoe, hi.
Quick.
Hi. Yeah, you look up, it's alright. Today you're sitting up. Yeah, just like a big girl. My goodness. What a big girl you are. You put on so fast. Oh, pretty girl. Oh, you gotta get your feet.
Hard to believe that they cover all that small